Together we'll scale new heights. A whole new world is in our sights. Get fired up for what the future holds. We've got fresh ideas, we've set new goals. Our loops are the best. They've passed the test. In fields, on roads, oil patches, big loads, hard-working machines of every type. They pound away, our loops live up to the hype. So gear up for heavy-duty growth, training and support will give you both. Our loops are the best, they beat the rest. In fields, on roads, oil patches, big loads. Training, more knowledge, more confidence, more sales.